Abdurrahim Hayat, a well-known Dota player also known as the King of the Dota, died in a Chinese jail as a result of constant torture. In September 2018, Hayat was sentenced to 5 months imprisonment. He was tortured by Chinese police until his death. May Allah bless him and let him enter paradise. Followers of the Justice and Development Party and Humanitarian Relief Foundation in Turkey, as well as some Uyghurs, gathered together in Silivri to protest about China's politics. The march was organized to take a statement and to solidarize with the Uyghurs. Human rights activists appeal to Uzbekistan to not extradite the Kazakh businessman from East Turkestan to China. 41-year-old Halim Buyakek Siamen, who is still stuck at the Tashkent airport, won't be extradited to China. That is mainly because of Europe's and Germany's interventions. Kazakh's President Nazarbayev signed an agreement about the legal status of the Kazakh Sea. The agreement was signed last year in August by all countries bordering the Kazakh Sea, such as Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran and Turkmenistan. Through the agreement, they all get sovereignty, limited rights and justice authority. The European Union intends to put Saudi Arabia on a list together with other countries that are unsuccessful in combating terrorist financing and black money laundering. According to the Financial Times, an EU Commission is ordered to put Saudi Arabia and more than 20 other countries on the updated list.